There, my name is Mary Youngwood, and this is your Student U.S. government class. In our class, our main point is to look at and understand our Constitution and the purpose and influence our government serves in people's lives and the role of citizens in a democratic society. On your screen, you can see exactly what kids see when they log into their Canvas each day. We've got a link at the top for the government class each day. They can also use the Zoom link on the left. Grades are over here as well as the modules. I use modules every single time when I need to look at assignments or post things. And so that's the easiest place for kids to find anything that they need to do. There's also an assignment link, a discussion link. Any announcements come up on the right hand side as well as here. Here is our class Flipgrid code. Here's my office hours for students as well as my email in case you ever need to get a hold of me. The students can also click down here for office hours, again, the class modules, and then class resources if there's other outside readings, that kind of thing. Down here, I just give a very brief introduction to myself. And if you ever need anything, then feel free to contact me through email and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.